Okay, this is a Singer 1591. This is the vintage black classic straight stitch Singer. This one has a direct gear drive, no belt to change, the motor back there and the little pot on the back. This one is in good cosmetic condition, better than most that I've seen. Excuse me, it has buff marks on it, but overall there's no crazing, no crackling, no peeling of the paint. The decals are in excellent condition, as you can see, and actually the photos will show up a little better. The print and the decals all over the machine are in excellent condition. No major paint loss or paint wear anywhere. It comes with the original box of attachments and accessories, as well as the original instruction manual. The front and rear cover of the manual are loose, but they are included. Of course, this machine uses 15x1 needles and class 15 bobbins. Has a vertical bobbin there. And bobbins and needles can be found at mostly anywhere, even Walmart stocks them. And this is a very strong little machine. It's a true reverse feed, meaning that it will sew in reverse, not just tack. And I will do that for you here. Put a sample under. Presser foot pressure adjustment on the top. Feed dogs drop underneath with a screw. Nice sounding, freshly serviced machine. Forward. Change to backward. The seamless, effortless change. Back to forward again. And reverse again. Very nice stitches. Forward again. And reverse one more time. Nice stitch. 6 layers of denim. Tried to sew denim, you know it's no fun, especially multiple layers. We're going to do it in forward. We're going to do it in reverse. Forward again. Reverse again. And I'm using a size 16 needle. According to this manual, this machine will use up to a size 21 needle. Perfect stitch on 6 layers of denim. This is like, folded over, this is like 8 layers of corduroy. I did it at first with 4 layers, but we'll fold it in half again. 8 layers of corduroy. Forward. Backward. Forward. Reverse. Forward. Eight layers of corduroy. And last but not least, we're going to do 4 layers of garment leather. And when I tested it, I needed to loosen up my tension, so it's kind of a little funky. But we're going to do 4 layers of garment leather, and you might want to invest in an even feed foot if you're going to consistently work on leather or vinyl or other sticky stuff, because underneath it is very rough, and it just makes it a little easier on the feed dogs and the motor if you have an even feed foot. So here we go with 4 layers of garment leather. And the needle came out. That would be my fault now, wouldn't it? Pull the needle right out. I didn't have it tight enough. How funny is that? Just put it back in and start over. And this machine does set the needle opposite most machines. The flat side goes to the left and it threads from right to left, which is totally opposite most machines. Just step back in there and tighten it up again. 4 layers of leather. And that is the Singer Model 1591 with potted motor.